Congratulations and welcome to the class. In this slide, we're going to learn the objective of the course. We're going to review the terminologies and keywords used, and then you will be able to troubleshoot like a professional. This course is designed to have a lot of practices, quizzes. You will learn how to create a bootable USB drive with Windows 10. We're going to install Windows 10 from scratch. We're going to identify the difference between a workgroup versus a domain controller running in Windows Server. We're going to review the internal components of a computer, client and servers architecture. We're going to build a virtual client's computer running on Windows 10 using a virtual machine. We're going to repeat the same procedure to create a virtual server. And then finally, we're going to deploy domain services. We're also going to add additional functionalities using the printing management server. And also at the end, we're going to troubleshoot the network. We're going to discuss the terminology of the firewall. We're going to discuss the basic protocols for the network, meaning DNS, DHCP, ICMP, HTTP, and TCP/IP. We're going to overview the common ports using TCP and UDP protocols. And at the end of the course, you'll have enough experience to create and support a medium-sized infrastructure using this knowledge on this course.